Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe.
Good Wednesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name is Winston Norman and here are the highlights that we'll be covering in today's show. We'll begin with some news from Strabag and some interesting development news they've got coming out of Warsaw. Then we'll move to Wrocław, where we've got some interesting leasing news on the warehouse and office fronts. And finally, we have some interesting news coming out of Georgia in the retail market. So after a few short announcements, please join me for the main news show. Welcome back. And Strabag Real Estate has announced the development of Upper One, an office and hotel complex at the junction of Ulica Grybowska and Jana Pawła II in Warsaw. It will replace the out-of-use Atrium International office building. The project will be the construction of around a 34-story high-rise building and a 17-story hotel, and is set to be completed in 2026. It will offer around 36,000 square meters of office space on around 11,000 square meters. The developer has already received demolition and building permits, and the first step in the project will be dismantling the original building of the Atrium International office complex that already stands, and this is set to begin in Q1 2023. And the quality and accessibility of Upper One, according to the developers, will be confirmed by 3 different certifications, which is LEED Platinum, Well Building Standard, and a barrier-free facility. Staying in the office industry, and Soliers Consulting will open a branch in Wrocław. Its new 1,200 square meter office will be located in Dubois 41. The tenant was represented by the real estate firm Savills, and the landlord was represented by CBRE. Soliers Consulting is an international IT operational advisory and software integrator. Established in the year 2000, and the company supports insurers, banks and leasing firms in business transformations and adapting to modern technologies. And the owner of Dubois 41 is a German-based HIH real estate fund, which was represented in the transaction by CBRE. And also in Wrocław and in the logistics sector, a new SBU facility is now being built adjacent to the Wrocław airport. And it's the latest development by Ideal Idea. The project has quickly won recognition from the market, and as a result, City Park Wrocław 2 is fully let way before construction is completed. And according to Justyna Markowska, member of the board at Ideal Idea, flexible space, modern solutions and the highest fit-out standards offered in the SBU facilities from Ideal Idea perfectly suit the current needs of the market. And continuing, she says, the rapidly evolving business reality, including the growing cost of maintaining offices in city centres, has driven companies to seek options for sharing warehouses and office functions. Completion of construction and commencement of occupancy of the new City Park Wrocław 2 is planned for the end of the first quarter of 2023. And finally for today, Galeria Tbilisi has continued its strengthen its brand, and it's been classified as a shopping centre that is safe and has yet again been awarded the Shore Gold certification. This is for the 2nd year in a row. During the process, the operational governance and resilience are assessed in the centre, and areas such as property management, systems and governance, business continuity and the management of tenants and visitors were verified on site, also at the shopping centre. And Shore certification is the unparalleled, globally acknowledged evaluation and certification for operational risk, resilience and governance of property portfolios and individual assets. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.